You get a box, you get a box, you get a box, everybody gets a box. We can't give them away? Are you sure? Sorry. Hey guys, Christmas is just around the corner, so I have 5 great products to show you techies out there. Let's get into our Gain City haul. I love sound beams. They're chic, they're sleek, they take up minimal space, and they also deliver excellent sound. So, let's open this one. Is it this way? No. Wow, I can't open this. So Sonos are obviously known for their very cool designs, and the Sonos Beam is no exception. Now, Sonos is obviously known for its incredible sound, but what I've heard is this one has particularly good dialogue clarity. So the Sonos Beam automatically connects to your TV and your remote. It's also AirPlay friendly, so it's compatible with all your iOS devices. See, this is the thing about Christmas. You just want to rip it open. So the Sonos Beam has voice control. And it comes in white! Now, is that pretty or is that pretty? So the next time you want to have a little bit more of a cinematic Netflix session, look no further than the Sonos Beam. This one's for all you gamers out there. Now, gaming is a very visual experience, so getting a great monitor is key. The 32-inch LG monitor is all you need. It's got 4K quality, Ultra HD, a great color gamut, and also a Radeon FreeSync technology, which means a great frame rate for anything that you are playing. I love opening boxes. It's big! Ta-da! Wow, that's a lot of packaging. Let's skip to the next level. Yep, that's 32 inches all right. The monitor can easily be connected to your CPU and laptop with color calibration to sync to your screen. So the easier it is to set up, the quicker it is to get back to your Dota party. If you're looking for a fast laptop that's dynamic and durable and that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, unlike your boyfriend, look no further than the Asus VivoBook. All right. Oh, it comes with a case. That's pretty. Oh, it's thin and light. Oh, it's pretty. It's got a super thin bezel for a larger screen to body ratio. It's compact, it's chic, and it's super lightweight. The best thing about this, it comes with a free case. First of all, can we just appreciate this box right now? The Asus Republic of Gamers phone is built for gamers. So this has high-speed CPU, excellent color and graphics, and is one of the most powerful phones out there. Look how pretty it is! Actually, it's really cool. Look at that, look at that. So we have a thingy-majiggy. We also have another thingy-majiggy, which has, this is really nice packaging. Charging port. The phone has a 6-inch AMOLED display boasting a 1 millisecond pixel response. Oh, and it also has 4 fans inside, so it's going to cool it down when you're having one of those marathon gaming days. So if you're looking for a mobile gaming beast, look no further. We all know about Samsung, and the great thing about the Galaxy A9 is that it comes with not 1, not 2, not even 3. It comes with 4 inbuilt cameras. The phone has an ultra wide-angle camera, telephoto camera, 24 megapixel main camera, and a 5 megapixel depth camera. You're sure to take some outstanding photos. And you'll be able to view your photos on your 6.3-inch Super AMOLED Infinity display screen for superb resolution. The Samsung Galaxy A9 is stylish, compact, powerful, and lightweight. It's perfect for the holidays so you can keep all your fun memories. There you go guys, 5 great tech products from my Gain City haul. Hope I've inspired you with some Christmas ideas, and it's been really fun unboxing for you guys. I do like unboxing. So if you guys have any more ideas of what you guys want to get your family for Christmas, make sure you come down and check out Gain City. For now, happy holidays, and I'll see you later.